It is just before 5 o'clock on September the 15th, and the rain is really coming down now. Been raining all day long, water standing in the yards and the ditches, starting to cover some of the roadways, blocking some roadways. Wind picking up a little bit more now. The city of Orange Beach and the city of Gulf Shores have imposed an 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew tonight and tomorrow night. Going to do a quick little drive around to see where we can get to see what we can show you. Thank you for watching the videos. Stay safe. And again, thank you for watching. The wind has picked up substantially since earlier today. Lots of signs blown over, garbage cans blown. I'm here under the Perdido Pass Bridge right now, and the wind is actually rocking the truck. Fox 10 News is here getting ready to do a newscast. They've got someone over there on that power pole there, rather that light pole. But as you can see, it is pushing the front of the truck, these waves, not the waves, rather the wind. this will probably be the last video I'll be able to get for you today. The winds are picking up, rain's coming in, and like I said, the city of Orange Beach and the city of Gulf Shores have imposed an 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew, and it is getting a little dangerous out here. You can feel the wind pushing the truck really bad, so get you as much video as I can from the truck, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.